Oh my god, turn. Oh my god, turn. Oh my god, turn. Why would you stop there? I don't understand. Alright, here we go. We're getting more in the... It's just a weird area. It's not even... I mean, it's country area here, and then it's like city. Like 5 miles up. Like, you're going under the speed limit. I can be upset at you, right? That's how that works. For some reason I thought he was just drinking a beer while mowing. That's my goals in life. Once I move out and get my own house, I just want to drink a beer while riding my lawnmower. Dude, like, what the fuck are we doing? It's not even just me. There's cars behind me too, and you're going 40 and 55. Oh, there's a corner coming up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Watch, she's gonna break again up here, and we're doing 40 right now. 40 and 55, bitch. See? Why? 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 Now I'm doing 35. There's a line of 6 cars behind me. Well, that's good. Once I get over this hill, I'm gonna try to pass. And now she's kind of doing the speed limit, so I really can't. Like, I don't understand. Why are you braking? Literally going the speed limit. The speed limit just dropped from 55 to 50. You're going, now we're going under 50. You're going 50 and you start braking. I don't understand. Dude, people suck. People suck. Everyone sucks. Every single person sucks. Thank you. Riding a bike is nice, especially when you're dealing with crap driving people, because you can just say, all right, bye. We're gonna go by one of the old places I used to work at. See who's all still there. Dude, this road's been under construction seriously for 3 years. It's never gonna not be under construction. I love just doing that, getting on the throttle, just sound just the same, right? Now we're getting in a better area to ride, a little funner area. That's not where it is. That's where it is? Oh my god. You guys know when like you're a kid and there's just like this one place you guys go to. You only went there a couple times. You only went there a couple times in your life. For me, it was that pumpkin patch. And like I went there a couple times as a kid, you know, as a kid. 8, 9, 10, maybe 12 years old max. Probably more so 6 to 8 or 9 years old is probably when I went there. It's kind of a weird thing for me. I went there with my mom, obviously, when I was younger, and it was cool. You know, there were hay rides, you pick all your pumpkins. They had really good kettle corn. Kettle corn is awesome. It's like popcorn, if for some reason you didn't know. Have you guys ever been to a place like that, though, where you like went there as a kid and you thought it was way further away than it actually is? For me, that's like, I don't know, 20 minutes away, and for some reason I thought it was like 2 hours away, you know? Or like, for me, I would go to the wilderness, Wisconsin Dells Wilderness, right? Which is in Wisconsin. Oh shit, sorry guy. But for me, the wilderness, it's like 3.5 hours away from me, and I used to think that it was seriously like 7-8 hours. Like I thought it was forever, because when we would go, I felt like I was in the car forever. I'm with my girlfriend about a month ago. We're gonna go again soon too, and it's like 3.5 hours, and I used to think it took forever to get there. We were there real quick, and then we instantly just kind of went swimming. There's two friends behind me, motorcycle guys. Okay, there's a student driver. For some reason, not really when I'm on the bike. I don't like to do it on the bike because it's kind of dangerous. But whenever I see a student driver car, a lot of you guys might hate me for this. Whenever I see a student driver car, I like to do something that's just stupid. Like, I won't like swerve into them or like brake check them or do anything that's actually dangerous, you know, because that's just messed up. But like if I see, say this guy is one, I'll just like roll on right past him. Because I remember when I was in driver's ed, there were people that would kind of do that too. There was one, it was a deserted road I was on. Someone flew past us at it was definitely over 100 miles an hour. We were going like 45, 50, and they flew right past us. It was stupid funny because the instructor was just like, yeah, don't do that. Right there is actually one of the spots I used to work at. It's kind of such a nice time to ride. It's not very bright out or anything. It's like almost gloomy, but the air is super thin. So I'm not really getting pushed around by it. Motorcycles are cool. I don't know, that's just such a good feeling being able to just, all right, goodbye. You don't affect me at all. Oh shit, this does though. Damn. Where did that come from? Happy Thanksgiving. Wait. It's not Thanksgiving. What the fuck? Why did that sign say Happy Thanksgiving? Well, alright. What is Thanksgiving? Isn't that like November? Speed limits are dumb. Someone, you guys have on your Facebook pages, do you guys have, I'm sure you do. Well, in my town, you guys know this saying of a Karen, right? K-A-R-E-N. Always white, middle-aged mother, someone that thinks they're entitled to everything. Well, we have a Facebook page in my town. It's called the Neighborhood Watch page, and everyone on there is like that. And they're all just complaining about little things, like if someone like passes them in a no passing zone, they get super upset. And it's filled with all these like, proper aged adults, 40, 50, 60, 70-year-old people. They go on there and they talk about little things, talk about business meetings and whatnot. Well, anyway, they go on there and they're complaining. There was this one the other day was saying they were doing 50 and a 55, and they were saying that someone in a red car passed them, flew past them, they said, and they said they were doing at least like 65 miles an hour when they passed them. 65 and a 55 isn't bad. That's kind of normal. And then for one, you were going under the speed limit, so you probably pissed them off, so they just wanted to pass you. So I went in there, and this group is hilarious, because it's full of all those people that think they're entitled to everything and think everyone cares about what they think, and no one does. So I went in there, and I went in the comments, and I'm like, speed limits are dumb. And then I instantly got like 4 or 5, replies saying, you're the problem with America, you're how everyone gets hurt and dies and stuff. And I'm like, bitch, I was joking for one, but for two, you really think speed limits are the reason people are dying in America? You really think that's the issue? No, you're messed up. So I really pissed her off, which is hilarious. And then there was like 3 more comments after that on mine still that were agreeing with me. They were like people, 20s, 30s that are like, I'm not saying speed limits are dumb, but this bitch crazy. I think it's just great. You guys should totally, if you haven't yet, go on your Facebook, find one of those like community neighborhood watch groups of your town or whatever. Look at all the complaints and just go in there and just start messing with people. Say stupid stuff. A lot of times like people will get their cars egged or something, and you can go in there and say, oops, my bad, sorry, or something like that, and they're like, what? And they think it was really you. That's super funny. Christ the complete savior. There was one time, there was a church that I rode by, and the sign literally said, don't believe in God? That's alright, neither do we. And I'm like, huh? You're a church. What do you mean? But I guess it means just that. People were looking at me like, what the fuck are you doing? thank you very much for checking out this video. I'm just gonna finish my ride home, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys all had a good time. If you did, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing if you like to know a lot of my stuff. With that being said, see y'all next time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
I keep saying I'ma change. I'm 22 now, it's time to fucking act my age. And I just keep telling her that this is just a stage, where every other night we going party and we rage. And I be